Hello everyone, this is Alex here. They just released an update for Blue Train Drift Friends. Now, in the original thing that they said was added, they were gonna add with, but didn't even last 30 minutes after the update. That's what they said on I believe it was Discord. So yeah. But here's the 77th anniversary Thomas. I have an idea. Nope, wrong sign. Here's the right one. What if we were to couple up all these cars together into that siding there, and that way where we get our time with Railway Series 77th anniversary Thomas, then we go and use Ryan to pull the train. The best way to get to Allsburg Harbor is by teleporting to Colton? I don't know how to say this. This place right here. The one that showed up with the gray thing, like how it turned gray. Oh, no. Oh, the circus train. Ooh, that's an iconic face. Aw, this is cool. I really hope they keep it in the game. Oh my god, you could recreate that one scene. Thomas with that face and Gordon. Oh, that's going to be cool. No, we're not going to use those coaches that I see. I mean, it really, to me, it looks like the Railway Series Thomas. They did a splendid job on that. Hat Circus. I don't remember it being called that. Whatever. Oh yay, it's actually easy to get out of the water. No! Okay, there. Ready, Ryan? Of course I am. Of course. Need help, Ryan? No, I don't, Thomas. No, don't need help at all. You sure? You sure, sound like it. I said I don't need help. Oh, come on, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Well, great, great, great. I'm gonna have to cut out that last part because I don't want copyright. So we're gonna restart this.